Good morning, dear children. How are you all? Hope all of you learned to find the time. Did you learn? Yes. Let us start today's class with a beautiful rhyme. Well, name of our rhyme is The Days of the Week. Now, you should sing with me. Let us start.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them quite. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them loud. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing again. 7 days are in a week. I like it one more time.
Okay, children, how was the rhyme? Did you enjoy it? Yes. We already know that there are 7 days in a week. They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You have to learn these all. Also, you have to learn the spellings. Children, we know it is December. We are ready to welcome the Merry Christmas, isn't it? Yes. Can you tell me on which day the Christmas falls on this year? Yes, on which day the Christmas falls on? Anybody have any idea? No. Okay, don't worry. We have a friend. It will help us to find the solution. Look, what is this? Yes, it's a calendar. It's a calendar. Now, we are going to learn how to use a calendar. Children, a calendar is a table that shows all the days and months in a year. Calendar is a table that shows all the days and months in a year. Okay. Now, see here. This is what a calendar looks like. It will tell you exactly which day 25th December is. See here, there are 12 months in a year. How many months? 12 months. The 12 months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Children, you have to learn the name of these months. Also, you have to learn the spelling. Okay. Now, see here. This is our calendar. It also has a list of all the days in a month. You must have noticed that each month has a different number of days, isn't it? Some months have 30 days, some months have 31 days, and February has 28 or 29 days. Children, listen here. January, March, May, July, August, October, and December have 31 days. April, June, September, and November have 30 days. Listen here. Months having 31 days. Which are they? January, March, May, July, August, October, December. The months having 30 days are April, June, September, and November. See, February has 28 or 29 days. Children, there is an easy way to remember which months have how many days. Fold the fingers of your hand to form a fist like this. Start counting months from the knuckles of your little finger. See here, these are the knuckles of our hand. See, like this. The knuckles are the joints of the fingers. The knuckles are the joints of the fingers. Now, what you have to do? Start counting months from the knuckles of your little finger. See here, this is our little finger. So, the knuckles are months with 31 days. Here, we wrote January. January has 31 days. That means the knuckles are months with 31 days. See, the gap between two knuckles are months with 30 days. See here, this is the gap between two knuckles. It shows the months with 30 days. Here, February is an odd month. So, we know February has only 28 or 29 days. Okay, so look at the next month, March. March has 31 days. The knuckles are months with 31 days. So the next gap, April. April 30 days. Next May. May 31 days. The next gap, June. June has 30 days. Then next knuckle, July. July has 31 days. On reaching the knuckle of the pointer finger for July, go to the knuckle of the pointer of the right hand. It will now be August. See, the next gap, September. September has 30 days. October has 31 days. Then November. November has 30 days and December has 31 days. Did you understand this? Yes. Now, you have to use this idea for finding the number of days in a month. Okay? Children, usually February has 28 days. But once in 4 years, February has 29 days. The year which February has 29 days is called a leap year. See here, 2020 is a leap year. Okay, listen. February 29 is the leap day. Okay, see, we know that 1 year is equal to 365 days. 1 year is equal to 365 days, or 365 days are there in 1 year. 365 days are there in 1 year. But one leap year is equal to 366 days because February has 29 days there. Okay. Also, see here, 1 year is equal to 12 months, or 12 months are there in 1 year. Clear? So you see here, a year has 52 weeks and 1 day. A year has 52 weeks and 1 day. See here, there are 4 weeks and few days in a month. There are 4 weeks and few days in a month. Did you understand? Yes. A leap year occurs every 4 years. A leap year occurs every 4 years. Example, 2000. 2004 is the next leap year. 2008 was the next leap year. Did you understand? Yes. A leap year occurs every 4 years. Thus, it can be divided by 4. See here, if we divide 2000 by 4, we will get 500 as the quotient. That means 2000 is exactly divided by 4. Clear? So, 2000, 2004 and 2008 are example for leap years. Did you understand? See here, this is the calendar of December 2020. Now, can you tell me on which day the Christmas falls on this year? Yes. See here, this is December 25. December 25 falls on which day? See here, 25 is under Friday's column, isn't it? So we can say 25 or Christmas falls on Friday. In this year, Christmas falls on Friday. Clear? Now, listen, there is a challenge for you. When will be the next leap year? When will be the next leap year? One more challenge. Find the day in which your birthday will fall next year. You have to find the answer and post the answer in our WhatsApp group. Okay? Also, you have to do your textbook exercise. Thank you.